Hi, I am Armelle, the founder of Roserose, and here is my workshop where I'm launching my new line, Phoenix. And here is one new machine, never used.
I could see myself wearing that, yeah.
You know, it's not only for the earth, it's only a way to treat yourself better.
I want you to have bags and accessories which are just unique. I think people have to take care of themselves, and I want the people to buy something smart. When you buy something which is unique and no one can have, you buy it more for you, and you take care of the bags or the accessory much more because it's yours. And I think it's important to celebrate that, the fact that we are all different